To our top story this morning, updates coming in the Cordelia ship COVID scare. India Today has exclusively accessed inside images of Cordelia cruise ship that was stranded over COVID scare off the Goa coast. Chaotic scenes were witnessed from inside the ship. India Today has learned that people stranded inside the ship have been protesting against the crew members and questioning them about curbs for people who do not have their COVID test negative. A total of 66 passengers tested positive on Mumbai-Goa cruise ship. No positive patient has been taken to the isolation ward in Goa. The ship is currently moving to Mumbai after being denied permission by Goa government to dock. The people who were not affected were also not allowed to leave the ship. At present, all positive and negative people are on the ship. The passenger stuck on the Cordelia cruise with his family expressed concerns about the increasing cases and the lack of cooperation from the Goan authorities in isolation of the infected. One of the kin of the relatives said that a crew member tested positive first, after which 66 others were found to be positive.
There was a big panic movement and life-threatening movement for all the negative passengers. They saw all these 66 positive members coming back from the port in the ship, and everyone was feared and they were panicked because one crew member infected 66 people.
Saurabh Akhtania reporting from Mumbai is now joining us. Saurabh, what's the reason that is being cited by the passengers who are feeling let down on the Cordelia ship? Because here the point is that when you know that there is a COVID scare, you're boarding a cruise ship with so many hundreds of people, then if there is even one positive case, something of this nature is somewhere expected, because how can you allow them to leave the ship to get out when you know that the others have tested positive?
So the most important thing which India Today has learned, that all the passengers who boarded the ship on 1st of January were required to submit that RT-PCR negative report. So around 2016 people who actually boarded this particular ship all had the negative RT-PCR report. They had to show that double vaccination certificate. Now what has happened is, one of the crew member who tested positive, after which now 66 passengers have tested positive. The big question with passengers and the relatives which have exclusively spoken to India Today, what they have said is that if one person has affected 66 people, why are you keeping 66 people along with another 1950 people? Definitely they are going to infect the others as well. Most important question they also raise is that if 66 people were tested positive, why they were not disembarked in Goa itself and quarantined or isolated at particular center? They all are right now in middle of the sea. If anything medical emergency arises, where are they going to take them? Let me tell you, the ship has already crossed Chiplu Nessa, entered the Maharashtra border, and we are expecting that the cruise ship likely to reach Mumbai in another 5 to 6 hours. Right now, there is no official word.
So I have one question, Saurabh. Are the Goan authorities not cooperating, or is there mismanagement coming in from Cordelia's end? What is the allegation?
There's a complete mismanagement by the Cordelia Ship Authority, because first of all, there were so many restrictions placed in Mumbai and in Goa as well. How come 2,000 people were allowed to board a particular ship on 1st of January to the 3rd of January? Now, there is a big negligence by the Goa government as well, because nobody was allowed to leave the ship. Let me tell you, there were in fact police officials been present outside the ship. The negative people on board who we spoke on India Today, they said that there was lot of protest 2 hours before yesterday night when the ship left from Goa. What they requested the Goa officials, that if the people are negative, the report are negative, please allow them to leave from cruise at that particular time itself, because if they are going to stay with the 66 positive people, they too are definitely going to get infected. Now let me tell you, the big news right now is that there is no planning from the BMC as well. The cruise is now heading to Mumbai, but what they will be doing here with all the passengers, again the RT-PCR test will be done, whether they will be put under quarantine, all the 66 people will be taken to the quarantine place as well. So there is no clarity at all. All the relatives of the passengers are in complete state of fear. There is lot of panic, and inside the cruise ship right now there is no network as well. So So there is a lot of rumors being spread in ship as well. So there is a complete chaotic and panic situation right now inside the ship. Until now, we have no word from Cordelia ship as well.
This is the big thing. The Cordelia ship management needs to put out a statement explaining why this kind of course, there's an allegation of mismanagement that is taking place inside, and exactly what is taking place and how they're ensuring the safety of these passengers inside the Cordelia ship as well. There's absolute scenes of chaos that India Today has accessed from inside the Cordelia ship. Let's take a look.
सब कुछ नेगेटिव क्या मरने को है वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देखते
A cruise party from Mumbai to Goa has turned into a full-blown COVID cluster. This after 66 out of the 2016 passengers. And can you imagine 2016 passengers in one ship during COVID times? 66 of them on board have tested positive for COVID-19. The Cordelia cruise ship that left from Mumbai to Goa is now stranded at Morgao Port Terminal, with Goa government refusing permission to dock. Take a look.
A Mumbai-Goa cruise ship has turned into a COVID hotspot after 66 passengers tested positive. On January 2nd, a crew member aboard the Cordelia cruise ship tested positive for COVID. Panic ensued after the infected crew member was isolated inside the ship. Reports suggest there are 2016 passengers on the cruise. The luxury cruise ship set sail from Mumbai to Goa. After the crew member tested positive, the Goa government denied permission to dock on its port. A medical team wearing PPE kits went on the ship to test over 2,000 people, which includes passengers and crew. The RT-PCR test results showed that 66 passengers are infected with COVID. Officials have given strict instructions that no one should disembark from the ship without a negative report. The Cordelia COVID hotspot is similar to the Diamond Princess cruise COVID cluster. In February 2020, during a cruise of the Western Pacific, cases of COVID-19 were detected on board the Diamond Princess. The vessel was quarantined off Japan for 2 weeks, after which all remaining passengers and crew were evacuated. With Saurabh Bakhtania, Bureau Report, India Today.